So whether you've come from near or from far or are joining us virtually today, I just want to say once again, welcome and thank you for making the effort to participate, because I'm confident with the content and the activities that we have lined up, this is really going to be the best ICC ever.
We've created a whole new video series that highlights members of this community to show you the impact Ignition has had on their companies, industries, and lives.
And we wanted to do something about that gap with the launch of our brand new program, the Community Impact Program.
We're getting rid of device limitations and tag limitations, so now Edge is unlimited. Ignition Edge IoT, Ignition Edge Panel.
Now at this point, some of you might be thinking, yeah, just tell us about A3. We have a lot of really exciting features coming.
If we're going to succeed in pushing the envelope on the experience that all of our customers have, we have to expand. And that is exactly what I'm thrilled to present to you this morning with the introduction of Inductive Automation Australia.
I'm super excited about the conference and just the people and the community. 8.3 is going to be a huge benefit.
We love the community, so it's been really neat seeing partners, customers, prospective customers, learning about product updates, you name it.
It's been a great event. It's really big. Met a lot of people who have a lot of great insights, and we're making a lot of connections that could potentially lead to more business for us. So we're very excited about it.
Welcome everyone to the 2023 Build-a-thon. We have a great show for you. Here we have Corso Systems, and on the other side, Barry Waymiller Design Group. Now is your time to vote. You've seen both teams. It's up to you to decide. I give you the winner. Congratulations, Design Group. At this point, we'd like to wrap up the Build-a-thon, and not just the Build-a-thon, but wrap up this year's ICC. It has been a pleasure being with you here this year. Thank you so much for coming out, and we hope to see you next year. Thank you.